Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal, is one of the greatest football players of all time. Known for his incredible skills, hard work, and dedication, Ronaldo has become a global icon in the world of sports. Let's take a look at his life, career, and achievements in simple words. Early life and struggles. Ronaldo grew up in a small house with his parents, Maria Dolores and José Dinis Aveiro, and 3 siblings. His family was not rich, and life was tough. His father worked as a gardener and part-time kit man for a local football club, while his mother was a cook. Despite the struggles, Ronaldo's love for football was clear from a young age. He would play for hours in the streets with his friends, using anything as a ball. At just 8 years old, he joined a local club, Andarina, where his talent began to shine. By 12, he moved to Nacional, another local team, and soon caught the attention of Sporting Lisbon, one of Portugal's biggest clubs. At 16, he left his family and moved to Lisbon to join Sporting's youth academy. It was a difficult time for him, as he felt homesick and was teased for his Madeiran accent. But Ronaldo used these challenges as motivation to work harder. Rise to stardom. Ronaldo's big break came in 2003, when Sporting Lisbon played a friendly match against Manchester United. His performance was so impressive that Manchester United's manager, Sir Alex Ferguson, decided to sign him immediately. At just 18 years old, Ronaldo joined one of the biggest clubs in the world. In Manchester United, Ronaldo wore the famous number 7 jersey, previously worn by legends like Eric Cantona and David Beckham. He quickly became a fan favorite with his speed, dribbling, and goal-scoring ability. During his 6 years at Manchester United, he won 3 Premier League titles, won UEFA Champions League, and his first Ballon d'Or, awarded to the best player in the world, in 2008. Real Madrid becoming a legend. In 2009, Ronaldo made a world record transfer to Real Madrid for £80 million. This was the start of his journey to becoming a football legend. At Real Madrid, Ronaldo broke countless records and won numerous trophies. He became the club's all-time top scorer with 450 goals in just 438 matches. During his 9 years there, he won 4 Champions League titles, 2 La Liga titles, and 4 more Ballon d'Or awards: 2013, 2014, 2016, and 2017. Ronaldo was known for his incredible work ethic. He trained harder than anyone else, took care of his body, and always aimed to be the best. His rivalry with Lionel Messi, another football legend, pushed both players to achieve greatness. Juventus and returned to Manchester United. In 2018, Ronaldo moved to Juventus in Italy. Even in his 30s, he continued to perform at the highest level, winning 2 Serie A titles and becoming a key player for the team. In 2021, he made an emotional return to Manchester United, where he once again proved his worth by scoring important goals. Al Nassr and beyond. In 2023, Ronaldo signed with Al Nassr, a club in Saudi Arabia. This move showed that he was still eager to play and compete, even as he entered the later stages of his career. He continues to inspire fans around the world with his passion for the game. International success with Portugal. Ronaldo is also a hero for his country. He has represented Portugal in multiple European Championships and World Cups. In 2016, he led Portugal to their first major trophy, the UEFA European Championship. In 2019, he won the UEFA Nations League with Portugal. He is the all-time top scorer for the national team with over 120 goals. Achievements and records. Ronaldo's list of achievements is endless. Here are some highlights. 5 Ballon d'Or awards: 2008, 2013, 2014, 2016, 2017. 5 UEFA Champions League titles. 7 league titles in England, Spain, and Italy. All-time top scorer in the UEFA Champions League. Over 800 career goals, a record for a professional footballer. Most international goals by a male player, over 120. Personal life and charity. Work off the field. Ronaldo is a father to 5 children and is known for his charitable work. He has donated millions to causes like children's hospitals, cancer research, and disaster relief. He also serves as a global ambassador for Save the Children and other organizations. What makes Ronaldo special? Ronaldo's success is not just about talent. It's about his dedication, discipline, and never give up attitude. He once said, "Talent without hard work is nothing." This mindset has made him a role model for millions of people around the world. Conclusion: Cristiano Ronaldo's journey from a small island in Portugal to becoming a global superstar is truly inspiring. His hard work, passion, and determination have made him one of the greatest athletes of all time. Whether you love football or not, Ronaldo's story teaches us that with effort and perseverance, anything is possible. Cristiano Ronaldo's journey is proof that with passion and dedication, anything is possible.